Good morning, class 8 children. Today, after completing the chapter number 14, chemical effect of electric current, we'll continue with a worksheet, NCRT worksheet rather, number 27. Our question number 1 is pick the most appropriate answer. So let's start doing it. First is the children who know the answer, you need to raise hand only. Which of the following statement is not correct? So the odd one statement you have to give, which is not correct. The ions are free to move about in an electrolyte. The solution which can form ion is used for electroplating. Acids are bad conductor of electricity. An electric bulb glows due to the heating effect of current. So did you find any answer among this which is not clear, which is not correct? Any one of you? If you know, can give the answer. Yes, Anshika?
Ma'am, option C, acids are bad
Yes.
conductors of electricity.
Very good. Acids, bases, and salt. Already you have read they are good conductor of electricity. So here it is written bad conductor, so it's not true. Number 2. Which material is used for electroplating the canes used for storing food? Yes, Tanya.
Ma'am, iron in tin.
Material used for electroplating is there. Yes. The coating of tin onto iron. C part will hoga. Tin onto iron. Tin plating is done on iron. Number 3, which is splitting of a compound using electricity called? Means you need to tell the name of the process. Either it is electrolysis, electrolyte, electrokinesis, electrochemistry. So I hope you should be knowing that what we have read in this chapter, which process we have read. Yes, Ananya Kahara.
Ma'am, electrolysis.
Electrolysis we have read, and the electroplating is application of electrolysis. Next, number 4. In the given figure, electrolyte, anode and cathode respectively are PQR. So you need to see the sequence for that. From here, you can see the term which is connected with positive terminal and with the negative terminal. The electrode which is connected with the positive terminal is known as anode. Yes, Tanya or Ananya, if you can give the answer. So first of all, electrolyte should be there. Electrolyte is our R. Electrolyte is R. Okay. उसके बाद R, P and Q. R, P and Q. So this is a right sequence for it. Next, number 5. In the given figure, the filter paper containing starch soaked in potassium iodide solution is connected to the battery as shown. When we write on the wet paper, it has a blue black color. Why it is so? So here are options. First आपके पास है iodine is formed at the anode. Iodine turns blue black in the presence of starch. Only one is correct, only second is correct, or only both first and second are correct. So can I have the answer from your side? Potassium iodine जो है turns blue black in the presence of starch. Already you have read in the lower classes. So your second statement is true. I hope each one of you have done it. Have you marked
Yes,
everyone?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's continue with the next part, B part. Rubber is a good conductor of electricity.
Ma'am, rubber is the bad conductor.
So here what can we say? That rubber is a
Bad conductor.
bad conductor. So this is a wrong one, and write down the bad conductor. Next, electroplating wastes are useful to human health and environment. Yes, tell me.
Harmful.
Yes, instead of useful, there will be a harmful. So you may write down. Next, in an LED bulb, the shorter lead is connected to the positive terminal of the battery.
Negative terminal.
Negative
Shorter is
terminal.
connected to the negative terminal. Next, match the following columns. Electroplating. With whom we can match? Tell me. Electrolysis of water. चलो second कर लेते हैं पहले. Electrolysis of water. In this, oxygen and hydrogen splits. Electrolysis of copper chloride. Tell better, tell what can be there. Electrolysis of copper chloride. No idea. Distilled water karo, poor conductor of electricity. Tell me better. Metals को किसके साथ करोगे? Zinc coating on iron is known as
good conductors
galvanization.
of electricity.
Metals are good conductor of electricity. Yes. So now two are left. You see to it which you can match. Electroplating is
Attractive and finish protection.
attractive finish and protection. Next, electrolysis, fading of blue color. So that you can match it. I hope each one of you have done. Should I erase?
1 second, 1 second.
Electroplating is with attractive finish and protection. Electrolysis of water, hydrogen and oxygen. Anya, show me your book. Show me your NCERT worksheet book. Show. Okay, next question number D. Short answer type questions. In most of the testers, LEDs are being used. What can be the reason for it? Why we are using LEDs? Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
In most of our tester, LEDs are being used because in some tester, current flow in very less amount and LED can catch them easily, but bulbs not. So in some testers, LEDs are being used.
Yes. So children, write down yourselves. LED can glow when a very little current flow through the circuit. Kindly write down. Write down yourself. LED glows when very little current flows in the circuit. Number 2, why does potato turn green on passing electric current? Around which terminal is greenish patch observed? So this is in your book even. One of the activities here, if we put the ends of the wire in the potato, it turns into bluish green. Yes, Ananya Kahara? And you have to tell two answers you have to give. First is why, and second is around which terminal the greenish patch is observed. Yes, Ananya Kahara.
Ma'am, the electrons from negative potential of the battery through the copper wire reach in potato where they undergo in electrolysis of part
Only
of a
beta you have
copper
to
wire.
write down by the process of why does potato turns green? So by the process of electrolysis. And for what is the answer of second part?
Ma'am, negative terminal.
Yes. due to the process of electrolysis. Beta, I am writing in a short manner. You have to write down the complete sentence. Due to the process of electrolysis and around which terminal? Negative terminal. Next. Saksham Vasanwala, are you doing your work or talking with someone?
Yeah. No, I'm doing.
Number 3. Why doesn't distilled water conduct electricity? Will it start conducting electricity if we add sugar on it? Give reason. Yes, Anshika Agarwal.
It will not conduct electricity because there is no amount of salt or salt mineral, and it will not conduct electricity because sugar is neither acidic or basic.
Okay. So first answer is why doesn't distilled water conduct electricity? So distilled water will not conduct electricity because it is free from impurities. Write down free from impurities, free from minerals. You may write down. Because it is free from minerals. Okay. Or second cavity, will it start conducting electricity? So the answer will be no. It will not be start conducting electricity for the second part, and you can write down the reason because sugar is neutral. Sugar is neutral. Number 4, Manish is a jeweler. He sells gold-plated jewelry. In what way gold-plated jewelry is advantageous? So gold-plated jewelry, how it is advantageous to us? Yes, anyone among you? I hope we have done that the jewelry appears like a gold, but actually, and it is a cheaper one. It appears like gold, but actually it is not made up of gold. Okay. So, and we can even get a cheaper metal. We can deposit a gold plate, or electroplating of gold can be done on the cheaper metal, and moreover it will be a cheap. Anything else you want to say about it? जो सबसे important बात है वो यही है कि it's a gold plated jewelry and it is very much cheap. And you can get the variety of jewelry. Two things can be there. Write down gold plated jewelry will be cheap. Gold plated jewelry. And we can take variety of it because once it will be cheaper. Yes, Ananya Kahara want to say something?
Ma'am, the jewelry makers electroplate the gold and silver on the less expensive metals. That is why it is cheaper.
Yes. So that's why I'm saying the metal can be any metal can be there on which the jewelry can be gold is plated. So children, this is your worksheet number 27. We have discussed it, and tomorrow we'll go for the next worksheet of this chapter.